In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in Hostinger using hpanel. A subdomain is a simple way to organize your site into sections, like blog.yourdomain.com or shop.yourdomain.com, without buying a new domain. It keeps things tidy and lets you manage content separately while staying under the same main domain. First, sign into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, you'll land on hpanel, which is Hostinger's control panel for managing websites and hosting settings. From the main dashboard, look for the website section. This is where all your hosted domains are listed and where you'll control each site's settings. Find the domain where you want the subdomain to live, then click the dashboard button next to that specific domain. This opens the management area for that site, so any changes you make apply only to the domain you selected. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a menu of tools. Click Subdomains to open the Subdomain Manager. You'll see a section called Create a New Subdomain. In the subdomain field, type the name you want. For example, if you enter blog, Hostinger will create blog.yourdomain.com. Keep it short, descriptive, and lowercase. Avoid spaces and special characters. Hyphens are fine if you need them. Choose names that clearly indicate the content, like docs, help, or store, so visitors know what to expect. Next, decide where the files for this subdomain will live. You can create a new folder, which is ideal for a fresh project, or select an existing folder if you already have content ready. The folder you choose becomes the document root for the subdomain, meaning whatever you upload there will be served when someone visits that subdomain URL. If you plan to install a content management system later, creating a dedicated folder now helps keep things organized. When everything looks good, click the Create button to finalize. Hostinger will set up the subdomain and link it to the folder you selected. This usually takes a moment. Behind the scenes, Hostinger also handles the basic DNS entry for the subdomain in most standard setups, so you typically don't need to configure anything else for it to start working. Once it's created, you can begin uploading files to the subdomain's folder or proceed with your site setup. If the subdomain doesn't load immediately, give it a little time to propagate. That's it. Your subdomain is ready, organized, and neatly separated under your main domain.